What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I do tech reviews, how-tos, home and auto related videos. Today we are going to be looking at the Blackvue DR590W one-channel dash cam. You can purchase this dash cam from Amazon for $149.95. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check it out yourself. They do have two different models. They have the one channel and then they also have the two channel model. The one channel is obviously one camera itself. The two channel has two cameras, one for the front and one for the back. One of the big things that drew me to this dash cam is the size. This is really small and it fits right behind the rear view mirror perfectly. So I like the size of it, and it also connects to Wi-Fi on your phone. Before we take a look at what you get in the box, let's go over some of the key features that this thing packs. So this dash cam features full 1080p HD at 60 frames per second. It also has the Sony STARVIS CMO Sensor, 139-degree wide-angle lens with night vision. It supports up to 128 gig micro SD cards. It has loop recording and intelligent parking mode with impact detection and motion detection. This feature can be turned on or off depending on what you want. This way you can actually catch somebody in a parking lot doing a hit and run when you're not there. It has low power consumption and a high temp cutoff. External GPS receiver option that is sold separately. It has built-in Wi-Fi and G-sensor, so you can use their app on your iPhone or your Android device. Now let's take a look what you get in the box. All right, so you got the actual unit itself here. It's a plastic build. You've got the camera sensor right there, or camera. You can also rotate this if you need to rotate it. It does have the actual mounting sticker right here. This is a 3M mounting tape for your windshield. I do suggest cleaning your windshield with very good cleaning agent. Good window cleaner, I like Invisiglass, I think it's called, where you get at Walmart. I like that, really cleans the windows really well. On the side here you have GPS, so that you can plug into GPS. You have the DC in for your power, and then you have a button for Wi-Fi slash format. Then you have a little slot for your SD card right here. Then you have their quick start guide, kind of explains everything you need to know about it. Then you have their DC cigarette lighter adapter for power. You can buy separately their hardwired wires and all that, so that way you can hardwire it into your actual vehicle itself, because some vehicles actually don't turn off the power to the cigarette lighter when you turn them off, when you turn off your vehicle. I'll link that in the description as well so you can check it out. They do provide you a 32 gigabyte SD card if you want. And then they also provide these little, looks like little wire organizers, so that way when you're wiring this up, you can actually tag these to the window or tag these to wherever you need to so that you can wire it up. So let's go ahead and get this installed and check out what it looks like during nighttime vision and day vision, so you can see what the quality is of the actual dash cam itself.
Here's an audio test. so you can hear what's going on in the cabin of the vehicle. It's the quality of the audio that you can hear when you record, when you watch it back.
So as you can see, the daytime and nighttime footage is actually not too bad for the price. For the price that you pay for this dash cam, you're getting $150 worth of actual dash cam. It's actually not too bad. You can see things very well in front of you. You can see license plates at nighttime, during daytime as well. They do have different models. Blackvue does have quite a few different models actually, and they have 4K cameras and all that are much better, but they're also much more priced. They're about $400 or $500. So I mean, for 150 bucks and getting 1080p and what you get here with Wi-Fi, I think it's a pretty good price. So like I said, if you want to check this out yourself, as well as the actual hardwire that I purchased to hardwire it into my, actually I hardwired it into my fuse box. They also sell a little converter that it's a fuse with a wire attached to it, and you plug the power cable of this into the wire and then plug the fuse in, and it's got a fuse onto it as well. So that way you can find a fuse that turns on 12 volts when you turn on your ignition, and then when you turn the ignition off, if it goes away, then you know that will only power this unit when you're actually driving. Obviously, if you want to use this unit for when like parking mode and all that, you'll want 12 volts all the time. So, but it also does have low power consumption, so that'll help your battery out. Other than that, like I said, products in the description. Check it out yourself. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Hit that like button if you liked the video and it helped you out. Leave any comments, questions, or opinions in the description below, or actually in the comment section below, and I'll see you next time.